When the lights go off and everything gets quiet, it feels kinda scary, right?
But what if you don't have to get out of the bed to turn off the light? But if you could do it from your phone? Sounds clever, huh? Meet the note. Wait, I have to remove it from my RC car first. I only have one board. Let me grab it real quick. Meet the NodeMCU. We are doing everything on this board. It's small, cheap, and honestly, it can do some magic. But if you are wondering,
What is this thing? How does it talk to Wi-Fi? How can I make my own Wi-Fi switch?
you are in perfect place. NodeMCU is basically a tiny microcontroller board like Arduino, but with superpowers. The brain inside it is called ESP8266 chip. And the coolest part, it's already have Wi-Fi. That means you don't need to any extra modules for that. You can code it, connect to your mobile phone over Wi-Fi and control real devices wirelessly. Think of it like Arduino talks internet. It runs on 3.3 volts. It has several GPIO input and output pins and you can program it using Arduino IDE software. And here is the best part. It costs only about $3 to $5. Your morning coffee probably cost more than this genius board. The NodeMCU has two modes.
Where it connects to your home Wi-Fi router, just like your phone does, like this animation. Where it creates its own Wi-Fi hotspot and your phone connects direct to it. This is the best example for that.
In our project today, we will use access point mode. That means your NodeMCU becomes a tiny Wi-Fi router. You will see a new network appear on your mobile phone, like RC car Wi-Fi or smart switch. Then inside NodeMCU, we will run a small web server. So you open the browser and go to the IP address, you will see a control panel. Okay, time to make a smart light bulb using NodeMCU and a relay. We will turn a normal bulb into a Wi-Fi controlled one. Let's start by understanding how relay works. This is a 5-pin relay. It has 2 coil pins and 3 switch pins.
When the relay is off, COM connects to NC. When the relay is on, COM connects to NO and turn on the bulb.
The NodeMCU works on 3.3 volts. It can't directly drive this bad boy. So we add the transistor to switch the coil, a diode across the relay to protect from voltage spikes.
This is the circuit that brings our idea to life. Looks confusing? Don't worry, it actually works. Let's make this mess of wires into something useful.
This is the circuit that I made. Okay, let's upload the code. Here is a quick test code. It runs relay on for 2 seconds and off for 2 seconds. Okay, I set up everything. Let's test this code. Absolutely, it's not working. Let's figure this out, what happened. The problem solver. Finally, I found the reason for that circuit not working. This tiny transistor, the reason. You can see, I get a BC557 instead of BC547. That is the reason my circuit is not working. Okay, I will hope this is working. You can actually hear the relay click. That means the circuit is working perfectly. Yay! Yay, 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 yay. For bulb connection, I am using COM and no pins. That means the bulb stays off by default and turns on relay coil is activated. This is my main bulb switch. Here's the plan. I got some two wires from this and connect to my relay. We'll see what happens. Always disconnect the main switch when you work with 230 volts. Okay, I will disconnect the main switch now.
I got out two wires from the switch and connect them to the relay.
Okay, let's make it smart. In this code, NodeMCU connects to your Wi-Fi and it starts a small web page. You can visit the IP address shown in serial monitor and you will see on and off switch. This is the Wi-Fi name and password. You can change it from your code. Okay, it's connected. Let's go to the web page. See?
In this web page, you can control the light bulb.
So I was wondering, when you want to switch on and off the light, you have to connect NodeMCU's hotspot every time. It's kind of problem. So let's update the code. So instead of using station mode, we use access point mode. In this mode, we connect NodeMCU to our router and we can connect to our router and control the NodeMCU.
In those lines, you have to enter your home router and password.
Instead of switching NodeMCU Wi-Fi and home Wi-Fi, now we don't want to disconnect our home Wi-Fi.
And go to the web page.
See? It's turned on and off from the web page. Just like that, our bulb is now controlled via Wi-Fi. So that's how you can build a Wi-Fi light switch using just NodeMCU. And the best part, it doesn't need any internet. As long as your phone connected to the NodeMCU hotspot, it works offline too. Congratulations, you just made your first IoT device. So that's the power of NodeMCU, a tiny board that can connect your everything to Wi-Fi. You saw how easy it to make your own Wi-Fi switch. No apps, no clouds, no internet, just Wi-Fi. If you enjoy this project, don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe.